Most people just talk about AI, but I'm actually going to test it. Today, I'm buying the AI Freedom Launchpad course, and from this moment on, I'll be documenting my entire journey. You'll see what's inside, what works, what doesn't, and if this $97 course is really worth it. I work full-time as a chemical engineer, and AI is moving so fast. Over 1.5 million people search for AI every month, but most have no clue where to start. Instead of watching from the sidelines, I decided to invest, take action, and show you my results raw and unfiltered. This is the sales page, and we're going to enroll now for one-time payment of just $97. This is the next page, and I'm going to write my information and use my credit card. This is the next page. We have these upsells, Jonathan Bot plus 2,700 AI niches bundle for $37. Unlock my $10 million brain on demand for $27. And 2,700 AI niches template faceless AI for $17. For me, I'm not going to add any of these upsells. I'm just going to buy the $97 course. This is the next page, and we have another upsell. So this is for people who wants to be in the Launchpad Elite Coaching. The price is $97 per month, or you can save $194 and get the Elite Coaching for the year, $970. So I'm not going to buy this. I'm going to scroll down and click here. No, thank you. I don't want AI to help me crush my biz. The next page is another upsell, viral script plus fast setup system that turns AI knowledge into paying customers in 7 days. And this is for $47. So I'm not going to buy this, and I'm just going to click here where it says no thank you. We have another upsell, so the AI traffic accelerator for $27. I'm not going to buy this as well, so I'm just going to scroll down and I'm going to click here where it says no thank you. The next page is for people who want to grab the coaching for $27 per month, and I'm not going to grab this, so let me scroll down and I'm going to click here no thank you. As you can see in the screen, guys, this is the final offer for anyone who wants to start a free 30-day trial. You can click here if you want to try it, but for me, I'm just going to scroll down and find the button where it says no thank you. Check this out, guys. I'm inside the course. It has 4 phases. Phase number 1, beginner intro to AI. Phase number 2, create the perfect AI clone assistant. Phase number 3, AI content creation. And phase number 4, AI video creation. And we have as well 100% profits reselling this program. And the last one, become AI certified. This is day number 1. I bought the course. From here, I'll go through each phase, try the tools, and share my real results, the wins and the struggles. My goal is to show you if AI can really make a difference for everyday people like us. So if you have been curious about AI but don't know where to start, follow along. I'm documenting everything, from buying the course to testing lessons to seeing if it can actually build freedom. This is just the beginning, day 1 complete.